Are you looking for a free online face swap tool? Then you are at the right place. We have the solutions for you to get it done. This is the Windows Club. Face swap tools allow you to change your face with anyone else. It can be with a superhero or someone else. So let's get started on the top face swap tools that are available online for free. Option 1. ArtGuru AI Face Swap. ArtGuru AI Face Swap is one of the best options in the market right now. Whether you want to use a custom-based picture or a predefined one, everything is possible with the help of this web application. Now to start, just upload a picture of yours, but make sure you're uploading the base and face separately. After that, you need to wait for up to a minute for the process to complete. And once you are done, you can click on the download button to download the final image on your computer. Option 2. Face Swapper. The whole function of the Face Swapper is not very different from ArtGuru AI Face Swap. Here, you need to upload one photo after another and then click on Swap Face Now, and that's it. Once the process is complete, download the picture. Option 3. PicsArt. PicsArt, on the other hand, has a wide range of applications. Apart from helping you improve the quality of your photo, it also comes with this face swap option. But this app has a limitation. It does not let you choose a custom base for your picture. Rather, you need to choose from the existing templates to swap your face. Option 4. Unboring by Reface. Like ArtGuru AI Face Swap and Face Swapper, this platform also allows you to customize and swap faces of your picture without any hassle. You also need to upload the base image and the image of your face separately, and the platform will take care of the rest. Once it is done, you can easily download the picture. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.